In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to envelopes in Microsoft Word. Adding images such as logos, return addresses, or decorative graphics can make your envelopes look professional and visually appealing. This tutorial will guide you step by step, making it easy to place images accurately and format them perfectly for printing. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and go to the Mailings tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find the Envelopes tool, which allows you to create and print envelopes directly from Word. Click on Envelopes, and a dialog box will appear where you can enter the delivery and return addresses. Fill in the appropriate information so your envelope is ready for customization. Once the addresses are entered, click on the Options button to set the envelope size. Choose the correct size for your envelope to ensure that the image and addresses will fit properly. After selecting the size, click OK to return to the main Envelopes dialog box. Next, click on the Add to Document button. This will create a new document in Word that displays your envelope, allowing you to insert and format images. Now, go to the Insert tab and select Pictures. You can choose an image from your computer, stock images, or online sources. Click Insert to place the image onto your envelope. Once the image appears, you can resize and position it as needed. Click on the image to select it and use the corner handles to adjust the size while maintaining proportions. Drag the image to the desired location, such as near the return address or in a decorative corner of the envelope. For more precise placement, right-click the image and choose Wrap Text, then select In Front of Text. This allows the image to move freely without affecting the text layout. If necessary, you can further adjust the image using the Picture Format tab, where you can apply effects, borders, or corrections to ensure it looks perfect on your envelope. Make sure to review the overall layout, confirming that the image does not interfere with the addresses and that it aligns properly with the envelope edges. Once you're satisfied with the placement and formatting, your envelope is ready to print. Click File, then Print, and choose the appropriate printer settings for envelopes to ensure your design prints correctly. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added an image to an envelope in Microsoft Word, creating a professional and visually polished look. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.